fish beneath the sea, floating where the corals be. G for giraffe, so tall and bright, gazing at clouds in morning light. H for hen, who loves her nest, hatching chicks, she does her best. I for island, calm and blue, in the sun with ocean view. J for jellyfish, soft and pink, jiggling gently in the drink. K for koala with treasure gold, kind and cuddly, brave and bold. L for lamp that lights the way, lovely glow at end of day. M for mouse who likes to play, munching crumbs through night and day. N for notebook, purple and neat, notes and stories oh so sweet. O for orange with leafy crown, out in meadows dancing down. P for penguin, cold and small, play in snow games, slip and fall. Q for queen with royal grace, quiet smile upon her face. R for rabbit, soft and white, running fast in morning light. S for strawberry, juicy red, smiling in the flower bed. T for train that rides the plain, through the sun and through the rain. U for umbrella, bright and wide, under it we safely hide. V for violin's happy sound, voices laughing all around. W for watermelons marching in line, waving green hats, looking fine. X for sailboat, high and bright, extreme tunes from left to right. Y for yak in snow so deep, yawning wide before his sleep. Z for zebra, black and white, zooming past from day to night.